Hello, children. Today I'm going to take your class on word power, imbibing values from back to basics. Children, just think, who are you? What makes you you? What qualities do you have which attracts your friends towards you? You as an individual made of whole range of different things like your thinking, your behavior, manners and other. But your good values will be liked by all your friends. Qualities and values are made up of your unique personality, where you come from, your hobbies, your language and much more. The only thing is that your good behavior and good habits build in you a good personality. And combination of all makes your identity. You must think about your values. Values are of greater characteristics, ideas or areas in life that are important to you. Some of your values could include honesty, good manners, creativity, kindness, and lots more. All this inculcate a strong values in us. So it's important to imbibe certain values like trustworthiness, cheerful, kindness, helpful. And these values help in building friendship and makes you an individual with good personality and moral values. It is not possible to imbibe values in one day. It may take many years also to assimilate something good in you or to learn something good in you. Like a tree takes many years to grow, to give shade, or to bear fruits in it. Everyone values things differently. Write a list of all the things you love. This will help you getting touched with your values. What subjects or games do you like in school? For example, if you like basketball, you might value cooperation and teamwork. And if you like science as a subject, then you must value curiosity and exploration. The most exciting thing is that everyone is totally unique. There is only one you. Everyone's values are different from each other. Just imagine, what if everyone was the same? What boring that will be. Good behavior reflects good values in you, which is liked by all. You need to imbibe good values in you, which you learn from others. As you like to have friends with all the qualities you want, similarly, your friends also like to have certain good values in you. After imbibing good values in you, you will reflect it in your behavior and personality also, which will help you to have more friends in your life. Once you have more friends around you, you will become the most happiest person in the world. You will be surrounded with all good vibes in the form of your friends. Because without friends, it's not possible to live alone. So, if you want to have more friends around you, first imbibe good values in you. Stay true to your values. So, okay, children, now you have to write 5 qualities of friends you love the most. All of you must be having some friends of yours, isn't it? So, whatever qualities you like of your friends, you have to write in this box. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.